In life, challenges drop in like seeds, some take root, while others just fall away. We can't possibly solve every problem at once, it's about prioritizing. With each passing day, we learn to let go of what doesn't serve us. Time is our greatest ally in navigating life's complexities. As we sift through our issues, we find some will remain while others dissolve. Remember, patience is key, every problem has its own timeline. Embrace the journey, each challenge shapes us for the better. In the end, it's not about winning every battle, but learning from each one. Let time work its magic, solutions will emerge when we least expect. Every problem is a stepping stone to growth and understanding. We may not solve everything, but we can always move forward.